Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty and Banknifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is Friday, January 6th. So friends, looking at Nifty, see what we see is, as we discussed, if this low is broken, okay, there is a high possibility of it to test these areas. Okay, that's exactly what happened, and this low was broken. Okay, this low was broken today. It started here. Okay, broke the low and came to retest that area, and from there it's continued to fall till this particular region. Okay, till this region, and that's what we expect. This move was kind of surprising move. The reason was we didn't expect it to go and further down, because of expiry is what this move happened, and it went down and again recovered that area immediately. Only to eat up the expiry premiums is what we went below that. Anyways, so if you can see, this area acted like a support, but then because of expiry it went down and came up again. Now what happened in Nifty? Nifty also similar thing happened. You can see at around this 1 o'clock time, this was a surprise move. Okay, there were no specific levels that it touched after this move, because this is the low. Okay, but it did not even touch that low. It simply went there and came back. Anyways, what about Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow? Simple friends. What trend is Bank Nifty following now? It is continuously in a low or a downtrend. Okay, if I remove all this and we take help of our favorite friend Fibo, we see that Bank Nifty is at its first retracement level, that is 23.6. Possibility of coming to this level, which is 42,945, is very high. Okay, reason simple. If I draw a simple trend line, see this trend line is broken, retested, and it is going up. Okay, now look at this trend line. This trend line is going to act like a next resistance. Where is our Fibo support? Fibo rejection? It is here. Okay, so if it comes till here, very good chance that it will take rejection here because of Fibo. Okay, Fibo is going to give its rejection. If in case it crosses this area, 50% is another rejection level, friends. So we would be taking trades on sell side. 50%. Why? Because we also see multiple places where it has, this level has acted like a support. Now after that it has broken and went down, so it will act like a resistance now. Next reason for creating sell positions here is simple, friends. If I draw Fibo from the bottom to the top, okay, so I'm just inverting this Fibo till here. What you'll see that we have already touched this last level of retracement, that is 61.8. The chances of it to go down from here increases when it touches this particular level. So this was the major trend. When it came down at 50% of the trend, still we'll consider that this trend is major trend. But after it touches this area, okay, the 61.8 levels, if I invert the Fibo, you'll see that. So you will see that it has touched this level, and that is when we consider that this trend is the major trend now. This is no longer a major trend. So now, because this is a major trend, we will create sell positions at any rises, friends. Coming to Nifty, in Nifty case is little different. See, if I am zooming back, this was the low, and if I am creating a Fibo here, it clearly shows me that we have already crossed the 61.8 levels, which are here, and almost touched this low. So now the chances of going and touching this low is, there is hardly any momentum required to touch this low. So from a risk or a risk to reward standpoint, it is not suggested for sell in Nifty. The reason is, see, when you are selling, you should have a very good target. You can go ahead and sell when it is touching this area, because this area will act like a rejection. In that case, you'll have a small stop loss and a big target. But when coming to this target, there are two support zones. In fact, three, 1, 2, and 3 support zones, which are very closed. So we are bearish on Nifty also, but we would prefer to sell Bank Nifty. Reason is simple. We have already breached this level. So what are the next levels? The next levels are here and finally here. And in conjunction to that, the risk to reward ratio in Bank Nifty is much favorable. I hope you understood the logic there. Coming to our buy stock for the day, that would be Ultratech Cement, friends. Reason, I'll give you multiple reasons. First reason, if I'm looking at this trend line, you see a clear cut break of this trend line, friends. Okay, this trend line is broken, and after breaking this trend line, there is a retest kind of situation. And if I draw a minor trend line here, not that far, you will see this breakout has come long back and there was a retest and an upward momentum. Now this breakout has come, there was a retest and upward momentum again. So it is creating higher highs. That is the reason we are giving it for a buy. Now another reason is, see this particular line, if you look at it, this was acting like a support. Finally it broke it, went up again, broke it, again went up. Now after breaking it, it has retested it, and more importantly, it has come up again. That is the reason we are choosing it for a buy. What would be our target? First target would be 7,075. Next target would be 7,088, and final target would be 7,100, friends. Coming to the next stock, that would be Techem. In Techem, we are suggesting for a sell. The reason is simple. You see this area. Okay. So if you look at this area, you'll see that this area has acted like a support. After it went up here, it came here, took support, and then finally it broke this area and went down. Now this area is acting like a resistance, and from here it has shown downward momentum. So we would consider it for a sell. Second reason, if I draw a Fibbo from the top to the bottom, we have reached exactly the second level of retracement, that is 61.8 levels. Okay, and in this case, there is only one problem here, friends. We are selling at this area, we don't have a proper stop loss. So what we'll do is we'll create a stop loss at the 50% level, or if you're able to get it somewhere here or at 50% level, nothing like it. We would go ahead and select this stop loss, and our target would be 1:1.5, friends. That is the only problem that we have in Techem, that is there is no clear stop loss that is there. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, friends.